Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about our skeletal system. What is a skeleton? Our skeleton is a framework of bones. This framework of bones encloses our internal organs, or we can also say that all the bones in our body form a framework called the skeleton. It gives shape to our body. It also protects the brain, heart, lungs, and other organs inside our body. Bones are hard and are in different sizes and shapes. The skeleton of an adult is made up of 206 bones. It consists of skull, backbone, ribcage, and limbs, and two pair of limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. Now we will study about the skull. The skull is made up of 22 bones. It is a bony case which protects the brain. It contains holes for eyes, ears, nose and mouth. The skull is made up of 22 bones, different bones. The upper part is made up of 8 bones and the facial region we have 14 bones. The lower jaw bone is the only bone that can move in the skull. Now we will see what is backbone. The backbone is made up of 33 small bones called the vertebrae. The backbone is also called as the spine or the vertebral column. The joints in the bones help us to bend or twist. Each vertebra has a hole in it so that the spinal cord passes through it. Thus, it protects the spinal cord. And the first vertebra of the backbone is called the atlas. Now we will study about the rib cage. There are mainly 12 pair of ribs in the cage, or we can say rib cage is a cage-like structure which encloses the heart and the lungs. There are 12 pairs of ribs in the rib cage. They are joined to the backbone as well as the breastbone. So I will show you where is the breastbone. This is the breastbone while this is the backbone. The ribs are thin and flat. Yes, out of which 14 are true bones, 6 are false bones and 4 are floating bones. Limbs. We have 2 pair of limbs as I told you. The hip bone is made up of 3 bones. The bones of lower limbs are attached to the hip bone. So first we will talk about the hind limbs. The upper part of the leg is called as the femur or the thigh bone. This is the fibula and this is tibia. The forelimbs are attached to the shoulder girdle and through the shoulder girdle to the spine. The upper forelimb is the humerus. This is the ulna and it is radius. So forelimbs, humerus, ulna, radius, hind limbs, femur, fibula and tibia. Joints. Joints are the places where the two bones are joined together, or we can say it is the meeting point of two bones. The bones are held together by strong and stretchy bands or fibers called ligaments. There are many types of joints in our body. First of all, there are two types of joints. First is immovable and second is movable. Immovable joints are present in the skull. The skull joints are immovable because they are interlocked with each other. So there are 4 types of movable joints in our body. Hinge joint, which is present in the knees and the elbows. Ball and socket joint, which is present in our hips and shoulders. Third, pivot joint, which is present between the skull and the spine. Fourth, gliding joint, which is present in the wrist and the ankle. So this is where a ball and socket joint is found. This is the pivot joint and this is the hinge joint. Did you know the children have more bones than adults? Yes, the baby has 300 bones while the adult has 206 bones. So, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye.